Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have really been craving some crabs lately and seafood, and thankfully my whole family, we love seafood, so we decided to pick up this crab that we've been hearing a lot of talk about from Sam's. People say it's only $10 and it tastes like real crab, so we decided to give it a try today. And so since we decided to give it a try, I was like, let's make a whole seafood ball out of it. So we got some sweet corn, some shrimp, sausages, eggs, and potatoes to go along with it. And guys, I must say, it does taste really, really good. It's really hard to tell the difference between the real crab and this one, although there is a slight distinction between them, but we were not disappointed at all. Alright, so I'm going to take you all along with me as I make this simple, delicious seafood ball. You can make this on any day of the week, and it will be a hit with your family. And I'm also going to be making this garlic butter sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, my goal is to give you motivation and rejuvenation. Let's go ahead and jump right on into it. You have to have you some sweet corn whenever you're doing a seafood boil. It's very simple. I just went to the grocery store, picked up a couple of ears of sweet corn, washed them off, added them to my pot, added 1 stick of butter and just a pinch of salt. And that's all that's needed. And so in this pan right over here, I'm sauteing 1 stick of butter too as well. And this will be for my shrimp. I decided to go along with some jumbo shrimp today, and we're going to keep the shells on these shrimp because the shells hold so much of flavor. And then what I'm simply going to do too is just add some Old Bay seasoning along with some minced garlic, a little bit of parsley, and that's it for this shrimp, guys. And it's absolutely just amazing. It doesn't take a long time at all for shrimp to cook. It usually takes between 3 to 7 minutes. You just want to make sure that they're pink. That tells you that they're cooked fully. So mine were jumbo shrimp, and when they turned pink, I knew that they were finished. So I'm going to be transferring them from this pot here to the pan, and I'm going to be keeping all of this goodness, delicious garlic butter sauce here. And for the main event, I'm going to be adding those crabs that we brought from Sam's to this pot, just to add an extra flavor to it. What I did next was saute those crabs that we picked up from Sam's in that same garlic butter sauce that we used to cook the shrimp, and I let it absorb all of those flavors for at least 5 minutes, and then I took everything and transferred it from the pot to the pan. Now be really careful when you're transferring your crabs from that pot to the pan, because what I did notice that they're very tender, they can easily break apart, and you don't want a broken apart crabs. I like to eat mine whole. Y'all have to let me know in the comments section, have you ever tried these type of crabs before from Sam's? And let me know, what was your first impression of them? Did you think it tastes like the real crab, like we thought so? Or if you thought it tastes like something different, I'd love to hear too. Also, have you ever ran into some other type of crab too that maybe tastes similar to like the regular snow crab? So what I'm doing now is just adding some sausages to the pan. These sausages are Rogerwood sausages that I just baked in the oven for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, just give them that golden brown color. And then I went in with some of my onions to that same garlic butter sauce that we used earlier for the shrimp and also for the crab. We're reusing things here. I don't want to cook a lot of things use a lot of pots, and so we're trying to keep the kitchen clean tonight. So I'm just going to go ahead in here with this onion, just add some Old Bay sauce and also some minced garlic, and just make my garlic butter sauce. I wanted to pour it all over the seafood ball, but I decided not to, just to have it as a dipping sauce. I didn't get a chance to film this part, but I went ahead and added my baby red potatoes to the pan. But you can use any type of potatoes that you want. You can use the larger red potatoes, or you can use the regular russet potatoes. And then what I just simply did was just add those to a pot of boiling water, a pinch of salt. And how you know your potatoes are finished, just go ahead and cut through them with a knife or a fork. And if it comes out clean, your potatoes are done. And I also added some boiled eggs to it. And so now I'm just moving my shrimp over to the side to make room for my corn. And then I went in and just added some parsley to my garlic butter sauce. I wanted, like I said, to pour it all over everything, but we're just going to be using it as a dipping sauce tonight. And guys, this turned out fabulous. Let me know if you tried this recipe. I would love to know how yours turned out. Continue to take care of yourselves, also your families. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Remember to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Leave me a comment as well. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Guys, so this is just some extra footage, but you know that the food is slamming and absolutely delicious when babe is tearing that food up. Alright guys, so I'll see all of you the next time. Bye.
One of the greats on a big stage.